How's it going, everybody? About halfway through this 1964 JFK half-dollar ring. Thought I'd hop on live and show you guys the rest of the way. Honestly, I don't know why I started working on this without getting on live. I should have just hopped on here first, but we're about halfway through. And we're going to reduce this in the Swedish wrap now. If y'all wouldn't mind tapping the screen. Seems to help send more people in here. TikTok seems to like it. I got one side a little smaller, and flip it over to the other side. It didn't move at all. Go a little further on this reeded edge. I know, real exciting stuff. You guys can't see what I'm doing at all. But what we did was we made sure this is nice and even. This is a 1964 half-dollar. We'll go pull this tape together over here. Unwrap it like a present. Do I know anything about a coin from Trinidad? I don't think so. Most of my stuff is U.S. currency. That looks pretty straight. See how the fit is. Fits good. Clean it up a little bit. This is all fine silver. Has HS houses on the side. Horses. I tell you what'll probably be the easiest thing for us to do is if you just post a TikTok video and tag me in it, I can check it out. That way I can get a look at it. Does that make sense? You think you could do that? It's just really hard to get an idea of what a coin looks like through text. So if you could make a video and then tag me, I'll check it out. Sounds good. Looking forward to it. For you guys who've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings. Currently working on a 1964 90% silver half-dollar ring. I just didn't have a good example of one of these finished, so I wanted to make one and take some nice pictures of it. But I've got quite a few of these. They're $150 if anyone's interested. I've got a couple other dates available for $50 as well, but I really stocked up on these 64s. I thought there would be more interest. I also have Walking Liberty $50 if anybody's wants to get one of them. They're pretty cool. And if anybody has any questions, feel free to put it in the chat. I'm just finishing this ring up, giving it a little cleanup, a little polish. And we'll go take a real nice close look at it. Mostly I work on US currency. Is there a specific type of coin you'd like me to work on? Yeah, that looks good. Put the year on the top. Oh yeah, I like that. I'm gonna wear that all day. And I can also do it with the tail side out. That's what this looks like. So I had one of those finished. I was like, I don't have anything with the year on the outside. So that's why we made this one. We'll go take a closer look at these. There is... Oh my gosh, the chat is in the way. Okay, there's the tail side out. 1964. 90% silver $50. Yeah, no problem, man. If you want one, let me know. I'm out here ruining history every day. Making coins into rings. Triggering numismatics and coin collectors everywhere. But it's pretty though, right? Now I get to show this off everywhere I go. People are gonna say, hey, where did you get that? I say coinringmaker.com. That's where I got that. Handmade jewelry, the United States of America, made from real US currency. Usually made live on TikTok as well. So if that sounds interesting, y'all check out my website. Link is on my profile. There's also a handy little coupon code on there that you can snag before you order something. If anyone has any questions, feel free to put it in the chat. I feel pretty good about that ring. That one looks very nice. I like it. What do you guys think? Honestly, I'm gonna take a screenshot of that. These two look so cute. Just chilling like that. I'm like, man, I gotta snag that for later. I mean, Chris, you got a right to your opinion. If you don't like my work, that's perfectly fine and acceptable. When I first started, I honestly didn't like my work either. Thought it was pretty sloppy, pretty ugly, but I worked at it. I kept going, and now look at the cool stuff I can make. Pretty cool. Something I like to do here on TikTok Live is offer to make coin rings live for customers. So if anyone's interested in getting a coin ring from me, you can either tap the gold chain down by the chat or the logo at the top of the screen and the website link on my profile. Go check out the store. If you do find something you like and you do place an order, come back here, let me know, and we'll work on it. We'll make your ring right here in front of you. You can see the whole thing every step of the way. And I don't know, I think that's a pretty cool thing to do. I really enjoy it. If anyone's interested, let me know. If not, I'm just going to show off these rings here for a little bit. So I think they're pretty. What's going on, Greg? We just finished a 1964 90% silver Kennedy half dollar. Ruined it forever. These coins in particular are 150. 90% silver quarters are 100. Copper quarters are 20, and copper half dollars are 80. I also do Morgan dollars and peace dollars. Those are 200. You can see all my prices on my website, which is my username, coinringmaker.com. It's linked on my profile. And I'm going to go ahead and pin it so you guys can get there real easy. It's going to be right down here. Y'all feel free to visit it. We're not doing a whole lot here, so you're not going to miss anything. And just go check out my stuff. Let me know what you think of my products. And if there's anything there that you don't see that you would like to see, I'd love to hear back from you. So any customer feedback would be greatly appreciated. About to hit 1,000 likes on this live. Very nice. If anybody else has any questions, feel free to ask. I can also do all 50 state quarters in copper and silver. So if you want to get like a Texas quarter coin ring or an Oklahoma quarter coin ring, I can do that. Those are pretty popular. Let me know what state you guys are in, and we could work on that if you'd like to. I'd love to make something for somebody, so let me know if anyone's interested. I was a wise guy, and I bought a whole roll of these 64s because I thought they'd be really popular. I think they make really handsome rings, but I haven't sold any of them. They're $150. You can get a 10% off coupon on my profile. And if somebody orders one, we'll make it right here, right now. Sounds good? Yeah. Which ones did you get, Rolling Big? What rings did you get? I wonder if I still got them here or if they're already in the mail. Oh, I see. Yep. I've got those in the tumbler right here. The 13 and a halves. The big boy rings. Ronald. You mean Roland? Shit. That was funny. That was funny. Yeah, I've got them here. They're all soapy and clean. Let me just dry them off and we'll take a look at them for you. Show them off to everybody. Yeah, they should go out in the mail today, for sure. Is, let's see if we can set it up on here. See how good my balancing skills are. It's 1970. Texas. Texas is a great place to live. I've been here. Oh wow, I like it. I also got a West Virginia one I need to send out today too, but it's tiny. Stick it in there. Came out really good. We just got rings all over the place. Here. Style them real nice. Well, I just wanted to hop on here and finish that 64 Kennedy. If nobody's interested in getting a coin ring today, I'm going to hop back off of here. Let me know if you guys have any questions before I leave. I'm going to hang out for probably another minute or so. You moved to California? Oh man, that's oof. And the timing, yikes. Oh boy. Well, you're welcome to come back to Texas whenever you're ready. We'll be happy to take you back. Yeah, I went to California on a school trip. It was all right. It wasn't, I don't know. It's a cool place to visit, but I wouldn't want to live there. It's just it's a whole different world from Texas. How much for a ring? So copper quarter coin rings like this one, it's just incredibly out of focus. The copper quarter coin rings are $20. 90% silver quarter coin rings are $100. 90% silver half dollars, which is like this one and this one down here, those are $150. And the copper half dollars are $80. I've got about 50 different types of coins that I work on. You can see all my prices by visiting the store link I'm going to pin down here at the bottom. It's also my username, coinringmaker.com. And if you go visit my profile right now, give me a follow. There's a coupon code waiting in my description for you. Yeah. You're very welcome. Well, guys, I hope y'all have a great day. I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here. I hope to catch you another time. Take care.